Welcome to this tutorial on why use Revolut Mass Payouts. As a business owner or financial manager, you are likely familiar with the challenges of making multiple payments to different recipients. Revolut Mass Payouts is a solution that can simplify and streamline this process, saving you time and money. First, let's define what mass payouts are. Mass payouts refer to the process of making multiple payments to different recipients at the same time. This can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process, especially if you have to make payments to recipients in different countries or currencies. Revolut Mass Payouts is a service that allows you to make multiple payments in different currencies, all from one platform. With Revolut, you can upload a list of recipients and payment amounts, and the platform will take care of the rest. This includes converting currencies, calculating fees, and sending payments to the recipients. One of the key benefits of using Revolut Mass Payouts is speed. With Revolut, you can make payments to recipients in over 140 countries in their local currency. This means that your recipients will receive their payments quickly, without having to wait for lengthy currency conversion processes. Another benefit of Revolut Mass Payouts is cost. Traditional payment methods, such as wire transfers, can be expensive, especially when making multiple payments. Revolut, on the other hand, offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses. In addition to speed and cost, Revolut Mass Payouts also offers a high level of security and compliance. The platform is regulated by financial authorities and uses state-of-the-art security measures to protect your payments and data. To get started with Revolut Mass Payouts, you will need to create a Revolut business account. This is a straightforward process that can be completed online. Once you have your account set up, you can upload your recipient list and payment amounts, and Revolut will take care of the rest. In terms of best practices, it's a good idea to keep your recipient list up to date. To ensure that payments are made to the correct people, you should also make sure to comply with all relevant laws and regulations, such as anti-money laundering and know your customer rules. In conclusion, Revolut Mass Payouts is a powerful tool for businesses that need to make multiple payments to different recipients. With its speed, cost-effectiveness, security, and compliance, it's an ideal solution for companies that want to streamline their payment processes and improve their financial efficiency. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start using Revolut Mass Payouts today and take advantage of its many benefits.